we are going to draw a smiley face emoji. So for smiling face emoji in Pythons, we have to use the turtle library. So turtle library will be responsible to done this job. So basically what I have done, first of all, I have created a turtle object and assign it to the pen variable. After that, I have created an eye function which will create an eye for the smiling face emoji. Then I have draw the face. So basically our face will be yellow. So you have seen that emoji has the yellow face. So I have filled the color to yellow. After that, I've created a circle. Then I have used the end fill function of the turtle object. After that, I have draw the eyes. So for drawing the eyes, you have to use the coordinates. So where you want to draw the eyes on the screen. So after that, you have to draw the nose go to function of the turtle object. You have to assign the coordinates x and y on the screen coordinates where you want to draw the nose on any of the figure you want to draw on the screen. You have to define the coordinates over there. After that, you have to draw the mouth. So I have draw the mouth here. So for that also I have assigned the coordinates, right? So after that, I draw the tongue. So for tongue, I assign the coordinate to -10 and 45. After that, I have filled color to the red. Then I have created a circle, then end fill, then hidden turtle. Okay, so let's run this code and see the output.